Okay guys, I'm taking the back of that wig that I made from the turban wig and making a hat wig with it. I just turned the cap that I'm using upside down, inside out, placed it on a styrofoam head. Now I am taking the hot glue gun and gluing the perimeter of the hat all the way around and attaching the rest of that wig to the back of this cap. This will be a hat wig and very easy to use. I did a turban wig with the top of the wig. Now I am adhering the back of the wig that is left once I took off the top to this hat and making a hat wig. Enjoy the rest. This is very easy to do. You're just going to glue it to the perimeter all the way around and baby, you got you a hat wig. Hello. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Out of the back of the wig that I did for the turban wig. So when you really ain't got a lot of time, put this on, because right now I need to be at the doctor in 15 minutes and I don't got time to do anything but this. Boom, girl, let's go. I got to go.